Hey, Tim Sykes here, and I am at this very cool spot out here just outside of LA. I like trying to show you new places all around the world. This is my laptop, this is my office. So I want to show you exactly what you can do when you learn my strategy. I'm just walking down here. I've already made a few $100s on the day in stock trading profits, but now, I'm gonna decide to work here by the pool. Make a little money, maybe. It's the middle of the day. More importantly, I just want to show you beauty. Look at the beautiful little fountain here. And this is a peaceful little place to work by the pool. This is for all of you guys with cubicles where, you're stuck in this just old world. I don't even know how to describe it. Just an old world where you don't realize that new technologies have been created. Sit right here. Oh, this is a nice office view. I'm gonna load up my stocks to trade, and I'm watching SYNC. This was a big winner. Actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna do something different. I don't even need to trade anymore. It's the middle of the day. More importantly, let me give you a little speech about freedom and money, because a lot of people have misconceptions and the wrong information. You hear that noise? That's a peacock. I'm trying to communicate. But the reason why I show this stuff is not to show you something that's impossible to achieve and be like, oh, look how great stock trading is. It's not why I show off my Ferrari, or my Lamborghini, or my cash, or my millionaire students. It's to inspire you. This can be yours. I'm not one of these bullshit internet marketers who pitches you a dream that you can never attain. I have attained this. That's the beauty of this. I don't think you realize that. A lot of people don't. And now it's not just me. Several of my students have attained this. I have not just one, not just two, but several millionaire students and dozens of students who are making 6 figures a year. And you can get to places like this over time. That's the key. Too many people want riches really quickly. You don't get beauty like this. You don't get true freedom all within a month or 2 months or 6 months or even a year. What I teach has long-term benefits, okay? And that's what you have to think. We reject a lot of people from my Millionaire Challenge because they have the wrong idea. Everyone wants to create like the next YouTube or the next Instagram or the next hot app. And you think that, oh, let me get into the internet world and make quick money. Let me tell you, the real money in the internet world is built over many years. When I first said that I was going to create a millionaire, people laughed. My business educationally was very small, okay? I was already trading. I've always been trading for nearly 20 years now. I can make a few $100 grand a year. Actually, a little over a year ago, I had my best year ever, making nearly $1 million in trading. Now I trade with a small account. In 2016, I started with just $12,000. I've grown it to $40,000 after 4 months. Not a lot of money in the real world, but think about it. A lot of you guys have only 12,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 or 20,000 to your name, whatever. And you need guidance on how to grow it exponentially. The same lessons, the same exact lessons that I've used to, build it from 12,000 to, I think it's like 42,000 now as I'm filming this in early May. So 4 months down and I've nearly quadrupled it. Call it a triple, whatever. It doesn't matter whether I turn 12,000 into 30,000 or 12,000 into 40 or 12,000 into 80,000. It's just a way to grow your account exponentially, taking small gains here and there, not every day, sometimes taking losses, but using the market and using your small size to your advantage. A lot of you guys have been taught that you need to watch Bloomberg and CNBC and invest in good companies like Warren Buffett. That's all bullshit when you have small amounts of money. Okay, maybe if you have like 500 million or $1 billion hedge fund and you're just trying to make 10 or 20% per year. But when you have a small account, you need strategies in order to grow it exponentially. So you need to look up some weird ass strategies like mine. I know you don't want to be a penny stock trader. I never wanted to be a fucking penny stock trader. You think that's what I wanted when I was a little kid? I want to be a penny stock trader. No, but I saw the opportunity because it's an inefficient market. The other day I was betting against this company, as I often do. You don't have to just invest in penny stocks. You can actually bet on failure, because most of them will fail or screw up somehow, no matter what contracts or who their partners are, or no matter what their product is. I'm just gonna walk around here because this is freaking beautiful. I want you to see multiple angles. My laptop is still there. I can go and trade whenever I want, but I'm filming this around noon Eastern. So there's nothing much going on in the market. You can take some time off. I don't want you to think that you have to be there all the time. Only trade when there's a good opportunity. And I'll tell you a little story. The other day I was betting against WKHS. Now this is a company that does drone delivery. They're working with UPS. They have a big contract with them. They might be working with the USPS eventually. That's the rumor. So I actually had a very good gain on my long-term newsletter. I was buying it in the 5s and the 6s and selling it in the 7s, 8s, and 9s. And actually went up to like nearly 12. But now it's coming down. And just the other day, the FAA smacked down drone delivery. And they said, you know what? We're not ready for it yet. And right when that news hit, I shorted WKHS. You know, I had already sold my long position a few weeks prior. So I knew that there wasn't much potential left in it because it had so much of a run up. You know, now obviously drone delivery, think about it, if a little drone came down here and like delivered like a book right here on that table for me to read, that would be awesome, okay? But there's a lot of problems with it, with the drones and flying and, you know, rules. So the FAA said, you know what, it's gonna be a few more years. I knew immediately when I read that breaking news that that was a bad, very bad sign for this little drone company. So I shorted the stock at $8 a share. And the next day I thought that it was just gonna collapse as more people read the news. And it didn't. It was down to like $7.70 a share. So I was up, I made like 30 cents a share and I covered, and I was a little disappointed. And I was like, you know what, what can you do? You know, that's stock trading. Sometimes you're gonna be disappointed no matter what your thesis is, no matter if you're going long or short, no matter what the stock is. Sometimes you're gonna be wrong. And you know, I wasn't wrong, I still made 30 cents a share. But later in the day, like 2 or 3 hours later after I covered, the stock was down to the high 6s. As more and more people realized that this news was actually meaningful. And, you know, I covered too soon. I made a few $100s, and I could have made like, I guess like $2 grand. I could have made $2,000, and I made like 500. So what did I do right? What did I do wrong? Well, number one, I recognized that this, you know, company with one product, a dream product, a very speculative product, a very speculative company, which is pretty much all the stocks that I trade, wasn't really going to have any positive news, you know, when you have this big negative FAA news right now. So I don't know what's going to happen in a few years. Maybe they will figure out drone delivery. But as of right now, this breaking news on FAA was very, I mean, the FAA regulates the airspace, right? So this was very negative. So I did that right. I recognized the big negative. What I did wrong was, even after nearly 20 years of trading these stocks, I always forget how slow and lazy people are with penny stocks, because most of the people trading this stuff just aren't active traders. You know, they're people with very small amounts of money, and frankly, they're just not very financially proficient, and they're not very quick. So the panic came several hours after I thought it would, because people aren't trading like snipers. That's the way I teach. And that's why I have an edge. That's why my students have an edge. If you learn to trade like a sniper, if you learn to, you know, think quick and act quick, you don't have that much competition. If there was negative news on a stock like Google or Amazon or any big company that talks about by, you know, Bloomberg or CNBC, it automatically gets priced in within seconds because there's so much money to be made and it's such a big market. That is why I like penny stocks. It takes a lot of time, sometimes a few hours, sometimes a few days for good or bad news to be priced in. I'm not even gonna edit this video. I've stuttered, I don't even care. I'm real, you know? That's the beauty of being real. So I covered that trade too short, too quickly, made a few $100, could have made more, but it's a good example. And a few $100 adds up over time. So trading safe, playing safe, covering too soon, trading cowardly, that's how you get to places like that. This is how you get watches like this, okay? It adds up. This watch is only $30,000. So think about it. It's roughly 60 good trades. This house is a few more good trades, but it's okay if you stick with it over time. You keep taking advantage of the edge in penny stocks. It adds up, as all of my top students can prove and attest. And now it's not just me teaching. You know, if you're in my Millionaire Trading Challenge, you get live webinars from Mark Crook, Michael Good, Tim Grattani. No one else, no other teacher has as many successful students giving live webinars, all on their own. And we're not all just following the same picks. You know, Michael Good, Tim Grattani, Mark Crook, they've developed each of their own little fun patterns. So there's stuff to learn from everybody. I'm not the best. I'm not the worst. I don't claim to be. But I am transparent, and I will teach you a strategy where you have an edge and you won't be like the 90% of traders who lose money in this industry and they never get to places like this. So I want you to get to places like this. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is peace. I'm actually gonna go have my chef make me up some lunch. I'm getting hungry in a little bit, but I hope you understand just a little bit more. I mean, this is just one example, and I have literally nearly 4,000 video lessons now. And you can see all my trades transparently, but hopefully bit by bit you're starting to realize that I'm real and that you can have this too, because I'm not that smart, I'm not that good at math. I just have experience on my side, and you can get it too if you study hard. Thank you.